Imagine your retirement years not just as a sunset, but as the start of a brand new adventure. Countries around the globe are rolling out the welcome mat for American retirees, offering not just warm climates and picturesque landscapes, but also a host of special benefits. These countries have designed their visa policies to make your retirement even more golden. Let's take a journey through some of the top countries that are making a heartfelt invitation to retirees, showcasing how a change of scenery can also mean a change for the better in your retirement lifestyle. Belize. Looking for a great place to enjoy your retirement? How about Belize? It's a warm and tropical country where they speak English, and it's just a short 2-hour flight from the southern United States. The best part about setting up your retirement life in Belize is that it's a breeze with their retirement-specific visa. Let's break down the details of Belize's qualified retirement program for you. If you're 45 years or older, you're good to go, and all you need is a monthly income of at least $2,000 or an annual income of $24,000, which you'll stash in a Belize bank. Don't worry, a simple security check is all you need to pass. You also need to spend 30 consecutive days in Belize each year to maintain your eligibility. Remember, you'll need to renew your QRP ID card every year. Now, while this program doesn't grant you permanent residency in Belize, it's still a sweet deal for a retirement filled with sunshine and relaxation. Panama. Panama has been a popular choice for many Americans looking to live abroad. The pensionado visa it offers is like the ultimate retirement visa. It's pretty easy to qualify for and comes with some cool perks. You get access to discounts at hotels and restaurants, don't have to pay import taxes on your household stuff, and can even skip lines at banks. How cool is that? So what's the deal with getting this pensionado visa in Panama? Well, you've got to be at least 18 years old. You also need to show that you're getting at least $1,000 a month in income. Oh, and they want you to provide a background check from the FBI and a health certificate from a doctor in Panama. Don't worry though, you'll need a Panamanian lawyer to help you submit your application. But once you're in, you're in. This visa gives you the right to stay in Panama indefinitely. Indonesia. Indonesia has this amazing blend of unique culture and breathtaking natural beauty that has put it right up there on the global travel map. And guess what? If you're 55 or older and you can show that you've got a steady financial situation with at least $1,500 per month or $18,000 annually, Indonesia's retirement visa is ready for you. Now, along with the usual requirements, Indonesia throws in a couple of extra things you need to check off for this retirement visa. First off, you'll need health insurance from Indonesia. Then, you've got to lock in a rental agreement for at least a year. And here's a bit of a twist. You're supposed to hire a local person, like a maid, driver, or domestic helper. They're supposed to get at least around $310 a month in wages. The visa they give you is good for a year, but the cool part is if you've been around for 5 years, you can swap it for a permanent stay permit that's valid for another 5 years. And the best part, you can keep renewing it forever. Colombia. You know, Colombia is kind of becoming this hidden gem for folks looking to retire abroad. Check out Medellin. It's got this cool Euro vibe and pretty awesome quality of life that doesn't break the bank. And guess what's drawing in a bunch of Americans? Yep, it's Colombia's retirement visa, which is basically like a welcome mat for expats. So here's the scoop on getting that Colombia retirement visa. They want to see that you've got a monthly income that's at least 3 times Colombia's minimum monthly wage. Now, keep in mind that the number changes every year, and for 2022, it's around $800 a month. This visa falls under the category of a migrant visa, and it's up for grabs for up to 3 years. And if you've been soaking up the Colombian vibes for 5 years, you can put in for a resident visa. Pretty cool, right? Ecuador. Ecuador is like a canvas of different lifestyles for expats. You've got these chic beach cities that feel like Miami, and then there are these historic highland towns that are all about that Spanish colonial charm and indigenous vibes. What's cool is that living in Ecuador doesn't drain your wallet. Plus, they're all about the US dollar. Now, they've got this thing called the Jubilado Visa, which is basically a golden ticket for temporary residence. You've got 2 years to enjoy it, and getting it is easier than pie. So, to break it down, here's what you need to get that Jubilado Visa in Ecuador. You've got to show you're pulling in a monthly income that's at least 3 times their unified basic salaries, which is like $1,275. years, and they want proof that this cash flow is steady. Naturally, a clean criminal record is a must. Oh, and don't forget the health insurance. It should cover you for the same time your visa is valid. Here's the catch though. This visa comes with a quirk. You can't leave the country for more than 90 days a year, so keep that in mind. Nicaragua. Nicaragua, often called the land of lakes and volcanoes, is like a geographical jackpot. Think about it. You've got these long coastlines, 2 big lakes, and a landscape sprinkled with volcanoes, rainforests, and rivers. It's stunning, and the cool thing, Nicaragua offers this retiree-focused pensionado visa that's basically a walk in the park to qualify for and comes with some nifty perks, like no taxes on what you earn outside the country. So what's on the checklist for getting Nicaragua's pensionado visa? Here's the scoop. You've got to be at least 45 years young. They want you to prove that you're getting at least $600 each month without actively working for it. Passive income, they call it. Of course, they're into keeping things chill on the health and safety front, so you'll need to show that you're in good shape physically and mentally, and that you're all good in the eyes of your local police. This visa gives you a year to enjoy Nicaragua, and guess what? You can keep renewing it as long as your income keeps meeting the requirements. Plus, if you've been soaking up the Nicaraguan vibes for 3 years non-stop, you can shoot for that permanent residency. How cool is that? The Philippines. The Philippines is like a treasure trove of bustling cities and endless tropical getaways, just waiting for you to invest, retire, and explore. With a history as a former US colony, it's no surprise that the Philippines is a haven for expat communities. If you're eyeing a longer stay here for your retirement, the Special Resident Retirees Visa (SRRV) is your ticket. Now, the details vary depending on whether you're pensioned up or not. If you've got a pension, here's the scoop for scoring that Special Resident Retirees Visa. First things first, you've got to be at least 50 years old. Then, make a one-time deposit of at least $10,000. Oh, and they want proof that you're pocketing a monthly pension of at least $800. Now, if you're not rolling in with a pension, don't fret. Here's what you'll need. Suppose you're between 35 and 49. Set aside a time deposit of $50,000. If you've hit the big 5-0 or beyond, a one-time $20,000 deposit is your golden ticket. Once you've got that SRRV in your hands, you're basically living the dream. You can call the Philippines home indefinitely, all while basking in the joy of tax-free pension and annuity income. Plus, you can bring in your household goodies and personal stuff without the customs duty baggage. Sounds like paradise, right? Thailand. Thailand is a place where thousands of expats have discovered their slice of paradise. Think stunning beaches, top-notch healthcare, friendly locals, and the cost of living that's easy on the wallet. And guess what? Thailand is like the open arms of a friend when it comes to welcoming foreigners with their visa policies. They've got the retirement visa called the non-immigrant O visa. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of what it takes to get that non-immigrant O visa in Thailand. First off, you've got to reach the age of 50. Next, you'll need to show some financial muscle. This could be a bank statement boasting a healthy 800,000 Thai baht, that's about $22,000, comfortably chilling in a Thai bank account. If monthly income is more your style, then you need at least 65,000 Thai baht or around $1,800 US. Or if you're feeling fancy, you can mix and match the two to hit that 800,000 Thai baht mark. They're also into keeping things lawful and healthy, so they want to see a clean criminal record from your home country and a medical certificate from where you're applying. This certificate should prove that you're not carrying any pesky diseases that might cause issues. The cherry on top, this visa covers you for a year, and the best part is there's no cap on how many times you can renew it, so you're all set to make Thailand your long-term playground. In conclusion, whether you're drawn to the tropical allure of Thailand, the diverse landscapes of Ecuador, the cultural richness of Colombia, or the vibrant communities of Panama, each of these countries offers unique retirement visa options and enticing benefits. From cost-saving healthcare to property ownership opportunities, these destinations present exciting prospects for retirees looking to make the most of their golden years abroad. So whether you're dreaming of tranquil beaches, lively cities, or picturesque highlands, there's a retirement haven waiting for you to explore and enjoy in these countries.